Hey guys, it's Kurt with Rock.Hounding.Adventures. Welcome back. So for today's video, we will be taking IronOut and using it to clean fluorite and agates. So we're going to go ahead and jump over to the rock piles and see what all we can clean today. Okay, so here is a box of fluorite that I collected from Nancy Hanks Gulch. We're just looking for some pieces that have some really bad iron staining. Which this one definitely does. There's some calipyrite and malachite, quartz, and fluorite. This will be a okay specimen to use. And let's see. Oh, there's a good piece right there. This is a nice piece. A lot of iron staining, so that'll be a good specimen to use. And that's got some iron staining taking place on it. A little bit of amethyst on this side. Put that one off to the side. That's not supposed to be in here. That's from Vermont. I'll use that one. Specimen. Some nice malachite on there. Kind of a cool piece. And that is a cornelian agate from the Grand Mesa. It's not supposed to be in here either. I guess this box is not just green fluorite. Nice color on it. Okay guys, so we are, I have a little tub of water. I have my IronOut, and we're gonna start with the fluorite, and then after the fluorite, if we have time, we will do some of the agate and quartz. Let's see. Go ahead and pour in some IronOut. And we're gonna put this one in first. See all the iron staining on there. Next one. And this one. Now I'm gonna stay back, zoom in, and I'll see you guys in a little while. Okay guys, so now we have them washed off with soap and water, and now let's take a look and see what the IronOut revealed. Okay, so here's that first large piece. Let's check out, see what it revealed. It is still quite yellow. but it did reveal some cool things. As you can see, there's a green fluorite. There's a little bit of, I think that's malachite right there. It revealed some chalcopyrite right there, and then the non-metallic blue right there is azurite. This side, it revealed a lot of bornite, or a peacock ore, which is right here. All those nice metallic blues, violets, purples, and so forth. So yeah, IronOut didn't really do too much on this stone. It did reveal a couple of the other minerals and all of this area right here, which is pretty cool. At least I think it is. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Should this one be part of the 2,500 subscriber giveaway? Leave it in the comments. Pretty much leave it in the comments for which stones that I show should be in the giveaway that are coming up. The next stone is this one right here. This one was quite yellow. It's still kind of yellow right there in the quartz right there, but for the most part, it took, I'd probably say, about 85-90% of the iron out of this piece of fluorite. So the next piece, you have this one right here. And this one's, I'd probably say, also 90% of the iron was removed. Some nice quartz with a little bit of purple hue to it, which makes it amethyst. Very cool. So that definitely cleaned this one up nicely. And I think I have two more. Yeah. The next one, there's this one. And this one cleaned up really nicely. So this right here is, I believe it's like mudstone, which is a little bit harder than the fluorite. These red bands that you see is hematite layers or banding, and then you have the amethyst quartz on top. So this one, I think the IronOut took all of the iron staining off this one, so this one turned out really beautiful. And then the final piece is this one. This one, as you know, was heavily yellow, and there's still a little bit iron staining right there, but for the most part, it removed probably like 95% of the iron staining. There's a lot of nice deep green tones, and do I have a flashlight right here? I do. This doesn't really do. Right here, just washes it out. But yeah, this is a nice piece of green fluorite with a little bit of quartz structure going across the top, and a little bit of the mudstone on the side. I think this right here, this like extra white, I think that's a little bit of agate going on right there. But yeah, this is a cool piece. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please leave a like, leave a comment, let me know if you've ever used IronOut, or if you plan on using IronOut, or your thoughts are on this video. But I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Rock on, find some cool rocks, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.